I'm at 776, Unit 303. Here's the walkway that comes up here. We have the carports down over there. There's a nice bench outside the doorway. The hallway that leads to the stairs. Very beautiful scenic area, woodsy. Here's the front door, 776. Sliding window to the kitchen. There's windows all in good condition. Going in through the door. We have a doorbell to the side. I don't think the doorbell is working. I couldn't get it to ding. There's a nice little nook area here to the right of the door. Then there's a closet. Or a little pantry. And to the left of the door is the kitchen. Sink to the right with the dishwasher right next to it. Upper cabinets, 1, 2, 3, 4. Side by side refrigerator. And some nice big cabinets over in the left hand corner. Very spacious. Clean. Look new. Here's the kitchen window. Back around, we get an over the range microwave. Flat stovetop. Range. Sink. Plumbing looks decent. Cabinets look decent underneath. Garbage disposal. Yes. Sheet pan cabinet next to the stove. Self-closing drawers. Okay, off of the kitchen, we go back into the hallway. We have a guest bedroom in here. The closet to the left. The dresser. Ceilings all look good, no stains. Nice ceiling fan, looks newer, updated. Very well maintained unit. We have a big closet with shelving. Goes in and around. Carpet looks good. I did notice some of the carpet, it appeared in the living room that maybe it needed some stretching. Oops, don't want to get me in there. Here's the bathroom off of the kitchen, off of the guest bedroom. The tub, shower, nice vanity, all new, updated, modern. Even the shower head looks clean and the fan looks good. Okay, the hallway from the kitchen goes out into the living room and dining room area. To the left is the dining room table with a chandelier. And you can see back into the kitchen there. So back to the front door down the hallway with the kitchen off to the right, bedroom off to the left, and bathroom, and that little pantry closet. Plenty of dimmer switches. The lights were all easy to find. High ceilings are very high ceilings. I understand that some of the furniture is optional if you need to keep any of the furniture here. Let us know. We'll work out a deal with the seller. See, there's a wrinkle in front of the bed there. Just looks like newer carpet but needs some stretching. Here's the master bedroom. Back up so you see the size of the bed in here. Okay. Off to the right, we have the vanity. We have a linen closet. Big, spacious, tall linen closet. Inside there is the air handler and the hot water tank. The air handler to the right. Breaker. And the hot water tank off to the left. space for shelving if you want it. Beautiful vanity. Off to the left, there's a pocket door with the toilet and a stand-up shower. All in decent condition. Shower head. Nozzles. Drain. Door. Fan. Hook for your towel. Yeah. Shelf off centered over the toilet. Come back out to the master bedroom. You see the sliding doors that go out to the lanai. A beautiful view of the golf course and all the beautiful trees. It's a big lanai. I'll take you out through the living room. So as we exit the bedroom, off to the right here, back to the living room. Yeah. See, I don't see any signs of leaks or water or anything. Ceilings look great, nice and high. And they have this lanai door open, so they must want to run the AC out here. There's a step down, and there is vinyl doors, I guess. That's why they got the AC running out here. You can close it up or you can open it. Out here they also have the washer and dryer. So just outside the master bedroom slider is the lanai with a washer and dryer in the closet. Again, it's in very good condition. Everything has been well maintained in here. That's the door. Like I said, there's the bedroom. Show you. And to get the length of the lanai, I'll see if I can stand in this corner. There you go. So it goes all the way down to past the living room. From the master bedroom to the living room. And you also have a view of the pool. You can see the blue through the trees. There's a swimming pool right close by. So we go back in through the living room. I hope I wasn't too shaky. Back to the kitchen. And I guess I'll shut it off now.